Hey gamers, want the hottest free games you can play right now? No downloads, no hassle? It's April 2025 and Poki Games is serving up some absolute bangers. From brain-teasing puzzles to heart-pounding battles, I've got the top 10 you need to jump into this month. Stick around, your next obsession starts here. If you haven't heard, Poki Games is the king of instant fun. No downloads and no installs, just pure gaming joy on any device, anywhere. Phone, laptop, even that dusty school Chromebook, you're covered. With a massive library of free browser games, Poki's got action, puzzles, and multiplayer madness. Let's dive into the best picks for April 2025. Brain Test, tricky puzzles. Love a good brain workout? Brain Test throws wild riddles at you that'll twist your mind in the best way. Think outside the box and flex that creativity. Subway Surfers, the endless runner legend. Dash through cities, dodge trains, and grab coins. Subway Surfers on Poki's as addictive as ever. Paper.io, ready to dominate? Paper.io is all about claiming territory and outsmarting rivals in slick multiplayer showdowns. Can you top the leaderboard? Smash Carts, kart racing meets chaos. Smash Carts brings explosive weapons and high-speed thrills. Multiplayer mayhem at its finest. Temple Run, run for your life in Temple Run. Dodge traps, snag treasures, and test your reflexes in this classic adventure now on Poki. Candy Crush Saga. Craving something sweet? Candy Crush Saga on Poki delivers match 3 bliss with hundreds of juicy levels to crush. Merge Chicken 2. Chill vibes incoming. Merge Chicken 2 lets you build a funky farm by combining chickens. Casual gaming perfection. Rebels Clash. FPS fans, this one's for you. Rebels Clash drops you into epic shootouts with teammates. Fast, fierce, and free on Poki. Victoria.io. Love sandbox freedom? Victoria.io is your ticket to build, explore, and boom massive worlds all in your browser. Mindfun.io. Top spot goes to Mindfun.io. Mine, craft, and team up in this blocky multiplayer gem. It's Minecraft vibes, Poki style. These games are just fun, they're instant. No downloads means you're playing in seconds, whether you're sneaking a break at school or chilling at home. Poki keeps the lineup fresh with new drops all the time, so there's always something to discover. Puzzle nerd, action junkie, you're set. April 2025 is just the start. Poki's always cooking up new titles, and I'll be here breaking down the best ones every month. Which game's your vibe? Subway Surfer Speed or Rebels Clash Intensity? Let me know because I'm hooked on these already. Alright fam, which Poki game are you playing first? Drop it in the comments.